for something.
So you are referring to presentation in office, right? That's how presentation, you prepare for presentation in an office, right? Okay. Tanishka, what do you understand by the word presentation?
Present something and for like a meeting or a game. Present something.
Presentation means to present something. Okay. Ranveer, what do you understand by the word presentation?
Yeah, I understand that to present something while you're in a meeting or to show something that how I have done it.
Okay, so
That's
all
what
of
we
you are
present.
referring to a
That's
meeting.
meetings
Okay,
about it.
fine. Okay. Vihan, what do you understand by the word presentation?
It's PowerPoint PPT.
Vihan, I can't hear you. Please leave that book aside. Look here at the screen and talk to me.
PPT.
Sorry?
It's PowerPoint PPT.
PowerPoint PPT. That is the physical form of it. What do you understand by the word presentation? Presentation as a word, what does that mean?
I don't know.
You know, and you leave that book aside, you pay attention here and you will be able to say it. Come on, let's see you do that. What do you understand by the word presentation?
The presentation is look like it's a PPT maybe.
Okay, you're still saying PPT. All right, fine. Prana, what do you think is the meaning of the word presentation?
Providing information.
Providing information. Wow. Okay. Okay. Tanishka, you were raising your hand. Yes, you want to say something.
Ma'am, it's like creating something.
Creating something. Presentation. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now I'm going to give you a scenario. Okay. Scenario means situation. I'll give two situations and you will tell me which is a better one. Okay. All right. One, you are walking on a road. Tanishka, one situation is you're walking on a road where the sidewalk, as in the pavement from where you should walk, okay, is very dirty. It's got too much stones and dust and mud on it. On the other hand, you have another road which is very clean. You feel like you can take off your chappals and walk on it. It's that clean. Which one will you prefer?
Ma'am, that left side, our side.
Our side. Which side? Explain to me. I explained to you about two different types of roads. Which one will you prefer?
Ma'am, that dirty one.
You will prefer the dirty one?
Ma'am, because the right side, if we will go, ma'am, so the car will come. No, ma'am, that
Oh,
side will.
no. You got me wrong. That's not what I meant. What I meant was there are two roads. Okay. One which is not maintained well and it's quite dirty. The other one is so clean and there you feel like you can just take off your footwear and walk. Which one will you prefer?
I will prefer right
Clean,
side.
clean one.
Okay,
Clean
Ranveer says
one.
the clean one. Subhan, what do you say?
Clean.
Clean one. Okay. Vihan, how about you?
Clean
Vihan,
one or dirty?
which one will you prefer to walk on?
The clean one.
Pranav, you?
Ma'am, I will go from the clean one, ma'am, but I will wear my chappals.
You will go on the clean, but you'll wear your chappals. Okay, fine. No problem. You can definitely wear your chappals and go on it. I was just trying to tell you, it is so clean that you can take off your footwear. You don't have to. Okay. Now,
Yeah, even I.
okay.
Tanishka.
Now, Subhan, Please, here. I don't want all of us discussing who is going out of network, who is coming back into network. See, that's going to be a constant thing, okay? We have to stop discussing about that in class. All right? Let's come back to class topic. Okay. Now, you have to tell me, why would you prefer the cleaner footpath?
Ma'am,
I
because
know the choice is very easy, but you have to tell me, why would you prefer the cleaner footpath?
it is very maintained and it is very clean.
Maintained and it is clean. Okay. What else? Yes, Ranveer, tell me.
Say that if you walk on the pavement which has mud, you may walk with your footwear and thereafter you slip and fall down in that only. And mucky will be on you. And then if you walk on a clean road, it is maintained and it is kept fine.
Okay. Pranav, I want you to make sentences and explain to me which one would you prefer.
Left one. Right.
Don't go with left or right. Explain to me in words which one you would prefer.
Clean one. Because if we go from the dirty when we can fall down, ma'am, from the clean, ma'am. We can't, ma'am.
Okay. Tanishka, how about you? Did you hear what we were talking?
No, ma'am, the call was come now. Because of
Yes,
the
I saw your father was there. Yes, he had a call and he had to pick that. Okay, fine. So we were discussing about.
Then also then I said,
Sorry.
I learned that on the dirty from walking footpath, there is so dirty and another it is clean.
So which one will you prefer and why?
Dirty.
You prefer the dirty footpath. Why?
Yes. And I will pick up with all dust and that all things.
You say you are going to clean it up?
Yes.
Oh wow. मैंने तो इस एंगल में सोचा ही नहीं था. Wow. You are awesome. You are awesome. Okay. That's really nice. That's called leadership. You know what? What that does? That when you look at a problem, you don't think who's going to come and fix that. You just say, I'm going to fix it. I don't care whoever is supposed to do it. That's a very sweet answer. Okay. But we are trying to understand what is the meaning of presentation. Okay. So I'm going to show you something on my book that I just wrote. And you're going to tell me which one you prefer. The one that's written here or the one that's written here.
The down one.
This one?
Down one.
Okay. Tanisha,
Yes.
what about you?
Yes, ma'am, the down one.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, down one.
Clear.
Okay. Vihan, what about you?
Down.
I
Down one.
can't see it clearly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my knee.
Yes, ma'am, down one.
And up ones I can't sit. Yes.
Okay, ma'am, down one.
Down one.
This one? Between this and this, you're going to choose this?
Yes.
Now explain to me why you will choose that.
Ma'am, because down one we understand that handwriting, ma'am. Up one we didn't understand that handwriting.
You didn't understand the handwriting. Okay. What else?
Ma'am, the up one was very dirty. I can't
Yes.
see it clearly.
But I can't read that. And that numbers and spellings was like
So you mean to
Some-
say, I'm just going to summarize it, okay? I'm just going to summarize it. Matlab, I'm just going to put all your words into a couple of sentences from my side. You mean to say, when something is presented nicely to you, you always prefer that. Is that right? Am I right? If I say that?
yes.
अगर कोई भी चीज को अच्छे तरीके से प्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो you prefer that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what does a good presentation tell you? When something is presented neatly and nicely, what does it tell you? Think. If something is presented neatly and nicely to you, how do you feel? What does that thing tell you? Now, I'll give you another example. It's your birthday, okay? Now, someone just gives you one calculator like this. Hey, happy birthday, huh? Take this. This is your gift. But instead, someone wraps it up in a nice golden paper, puts a label on it, ties it up with a nice pretty red ribbon, and then gives it to you. Which way of presentation do you prefer?
Both.
And the golden cover, the golden cover.
Both. So clean.
No, don't think about what is coming to you as a gift. Okay? Think about how you would like to receive the gift. I am sure दोनों के अंदर सामान क्या है पता चला तो that's all you want to know. Really doesn't matter how it is being wrapped up and all that. But if something is presented to you, तुम्हारा बर्थडे है और तुमको गिफ्ट दिया जा रहा है, ऐसा खुला गिफ्ट देना ठीक लगता है कि उसको अच्छे से रैप करके प्रेजेंट करना? Tanishka, you have to stop playing with the phone. Stop playing with the phone. Yeah, that's better. Guys, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, wrap.
The wrapped one is what you would prefer. Okay. So now you tell me, what does a good and well presented item make you think? When you get a well presented item, not just a present or a gift, but nicely presented thing. Think of a good, neat looking footpath. Okay. Think of a neat handwriting. Think of a nicely presented gift. What does your mind tell you when you look at the nicer things?
Then come on, let's try it. It is so good.
Sorry, someone?
Means I did and try it out because it is so clean. Let's try it out. It is so clean.
You feel that let's try this out because this is nice. Okay. Yes, Pranav?
But who gave gift, ma'am? He had written our name like this from Tanishka to Pranav, ma'am. But he had present something knowing that. Ma'am, so what will be nice?
No. You're not getting what I'm trying to tell you. तुमको समझ में नहीं आया? गिफ्ट तो दोनों जन दे रहे हैं, तुम्हारा नाम भी लिख के दे रहे हैं, लेकिन one open gift and a wrapped up gift which is nicely wrapped up, which one will you prefer? Wait, the question is to Pranav. Pranav, which one will you prefer?
The
Wrapped. What does your mind tell you when you get a wrapped up gift? When something is given to you nicely. See, road तो दोनों था, एक साइड में कचरा भरा था, दूसरा साइड बहुत ही साफ था, but दोनों में से तुम चल सकते हो. You can walk on both those pavements, right? But why do you prefer the cleaner one? Okay. Again, look at this handwriting. Both information written here is the same. Both of them say, my name is Kavita, I'm 12 years old, I go to school every day. इसमें भी यही लिखा है. Okay? इसमें भी यही लिखा है.
But we can't understand anything in that handwriting.
So I am going to tell you to think about the well presented item. What do you feel about the well presented item?
Yes, it's good.
It's good. Okay, that's all. Come on, think. You all are not catching the point. Come on, think. Like Pranav said, दोनों तो गिफ्ट ही है, दोनों में तो नाम लिखा हुआ है कि इससे इसके लिए है. But जब दोनों गिफ्ट सामने रखा रहता है, तुम्हें देख के कौन सा ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है? Which one attracts your eyes even more? The wrapped up one. When teacher gets a answer paper with this kind of handwriting and this kind of handwriting, neatness. Subhan, sit up straight. When teacher gets an answer paper with this kind of handwriting and another one with this kind of handwriting, for which one will she give better marks?
The nice handwriting.
The nicer handwriting, correct? Why? If you were teacher, why would you give better marks to the nicer handwriting?
because she can understand that handwriting, but up she can't understand that handwriting.
She can understand the neater handwriting. So if you were a teacher and you had to give marks, you will give better marks for the one that is having nicer handwriting, correct? Hello?
Yes.
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 And you will do that because, one, you can understand what is written. You can read it well. Correct? Two,
Yes.
it looks nice to you. इतना clean और neat लगता है. कोई किचपिच नहीं है. It's very nicely given to you. Ranveer, do you want to wash your face and come?
No, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
fine.
Okay. So now you come to my question of what is the meaning of presentation? Now can you help me understand the meaning of the word presentation? You all have seen 3 different examples. Now what do you think is the meaning of presentation? Yes, Ranveer?
Neat and clean.
Something neat and clean.
To give something neat and clean. Yes, that is one point. Yes. What else?
And when we give something neat and clean, we're happy.
1 minute. Wait. Subhan, wait. Tanishka, you're saying something. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. When we give something neatly to anyone, they also feels happy and that they give us neatly.
The person to whom you're giving it nicely, that person feels very happy, no? Correct?
Yes, that
So,
we have
We should come up
presented
happy.
something.
the recipient, the person who is receiving that presentation, when it is nice, he feels very happy. He feels very nice about it, right?
Yes,
So,
that they
when
have
you are looking
presented
to
me
walk,
something.
when you are looking to walk on that neat road, you feel much better than walking on that dusty, dirty road, right?
Yes.
As a person getting that service, you feel that's better, right? Now let's go to Subhan and see what he has to say. Yes, Subhan.
If we will get some neat thing, we will feel nice. If we get a dirty thing without wrap, we will think how he has given gift opened. He should give a surprise gift.
Oh, okay. You can give a surprise gift, okay. If I have to word it differently, I would say it that the person who is receiving that particular gift might think, ये कोई तरीका होता है क्या? Right?
Yes.
Is this the way? Is this how you do it? Is this the way? Now think about it when your mom tells you to fold clothes. Kapda ghadi karke rakho. Fold clothes and put them in the cupboard. How does mommy fold it? Neatly, nicely, end to end, and it feels all very nice. What do you do sometimes? You get so lazy. Hey, chodo na. You just put 4 folds to it and you just put it away. Which presentation looks good?
My mother's.
Mother's presentation looks good. Why?
Because she do it neatly.
Okay. Yes, Pranav, you are looking to say something. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, because they had practice.
They are giving a good presentation because they have practice. Ah, okay. That's a nice
Ma'am,
one. Mm-hmm.
ma'am, if we not put the, ma'am, if we not put, ma'am, they will feel, ma'am, hurt.
If you have not put
Ma'am,
what?
that clothes.
Okay. Clothes, theek hai. But you are saying that if it is not done correctly, the samne wala is not going to like it. Yeah, recipient will not like it. Okay. Vihan, what would you like to say about this?
If there be G20 World Cup this year, then
There will be lots of fun.
Please repeat, Vihan. What did you say?
The T20 World Cup is there, and the T20 World Cup will be lots of fun.
Vihan, you're fiddling with something that's making noise and I can't hear you clearly. Please.
If there will be T20 World Cup this year, then I will watch all the matches. Like the first match will be Sri Lanka and Ireland.
Who understood what Vihan said? Because I'm really sorry, I didn't follow what he said.
Yes, I said so.
Yes, Ranveer, you understood what he said?
Ma'am,
Ah.
he said that this year 2020 World Cup I will see and I will have fun. And the first is between Sri Lanka and Ireland.
Okay. But how does that connect to the presentation topic we are talking about? Vihan, sit back in class.
He said that.
Okay. All right. Pranav, you're raising your hand. You want to say something?
Ma'am, but my mother teach me to how to put that clothes gadi
They've always
neatly.
taught you. All our moms have
Yes,
taught
ma'am.
us how to do things well. But sometimes our laziness takes over and we don't do it properly, no? है कि नहीं? चलेगा ना, अभी छोड़ देते हैं, मम्मी कर लेगी बाद में. What's the big deal? It's okay. ऐसा हम लोग सोचते हैं ना? पर फिर बाद में वापस जाके मम्मी को ही उसको बेटर प्रेजेंट करके फिर से रखना पड़ता है. Right? Suppose you think about it. You get a plate of food. Okay? Mummy Subhan, wait. Mummy gives you a plate of food. Okay? खाना इधर उधर डाल के तो ऐसे स्पून से अच्छे से निकाल के नहीं डाला, ऐसे हाथ से निकाल के डाल दिया. दाल को ऐसे बर्तन से निकाल के डाल दिया उसके अंदर और सब्जी को भी ऐसे निकाल के प्लेट में डाल दिया. कैसे लगेगा? सब बिखरा हुआ लगेगा, राइट?
I will not eat it.
Look at that. Tanishka is saying, I will not eat it only. But है तो वो खाना ही. It's the same thing that she cooked. है तो वो खाना ही. But वो क्यों नहीं खाएंगे?
But the presented better is good.
Then I
But the
will
presented better
take
is
my
good.
plate.
When you present it better, it is good. Yes. When you present it well, it is always good. Sorry, what, Pranav?
Our mother will not do like that.
I am not saying your mother will do that. I am asking you a question that if food was served to you like that, तुम किसी होटल में भी गए और उसने कटोरी, चम्मच, फॉर्क, अच्छा एक प्लेट रोटी के लिए, एक प्लेट सब्जी के लिए, ऐसे सब नहीं दिया. बोला एक लो, बड़ा प्लेट लो, ये रहा सब्जी, ये रहा दाल, ये रहा रायता, ये रहा रोटी, सब खाओगे? खाओगे? नहीं. तनिष्का तो शुरू से ही बोल चुकी है कि I will not eat that kind of food. But Tanishka,
At home,
it is still food.
I am at home.
खाना तुम अपने पास ही रखो, हमको नहीं चाहिए.
But
No, I will do.
वो भी तो खाना ही है.
this.
वो तुम खा के देखोगे तो it is going to taste the same. It is not going to taste any
But the
different.
presented better. Ma'am, but the presented better is good.
Presentation is good. It is important. Do you believe presentation is important? Yes, Tanishka, bolo.
Yes, a lot.
In the I will at home now. My mother, it will be like that. My mother served me like that. I will just go and take mine better. I will take my own. And in restaurant, when they will give it all things in one plate, I will say them to bring small plates like roti and that one. Then I will keep it. Then I will eat.
Okay. So you are telling that only if there is good presentation, you will accept what is given to you.
Yes.
Okay. Do we all accept this statement that we will accept things only if they are well presented?
Ma'am, if I will get house food presenting like hand, and dal will put like this, then also I will eat that food.
अरे बाबा, in a house you will not have much choice. मम्मी will say खाना बनाया है, खाना है तो खाओ वरना चलो.
My mother will not give like that. Then also she will.
Bring my tiffin and eat meal in hotel.
See,
I can hear you now, ma'am.
I am not telling you that your mom will do that. You got me wrong. यहाँ पे मम्मी का बात ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मम्मी क्या करने वाली है. इधर मम्मी का कोई कनेक्शन ही नहीं है.
मम्मी क्या करने वाली है?
The point is,
What you will do, ma'am? Asking that.
मम्मी क्या करने
the
वाली
point
है?
is, would you
वरना
prefer a plate of food which is scattered, जहाँ पे चावल दाल चारों तरफ फैल रहा है और बह रहा है, or will you prefer a plate of food which is presented neatly and nicely? You can see that little mirchi on top of the dal ka tadka. You can see some dhania on top of your sabji. You can see steam coming out of your rice. Then you feel, अब तो मुझे भूख लग रहा है, ये देख के ही मुझे खाने का मन कर रहा है. ऐसा फीलिंग आता है ना?
No, ma'am, don't tell it. I will
Don't tell it.
it.
क्यों मुंह में पानी आ रहा है?
दिल्ली है।
Yes.
है ना? मैं पानी पूरी।
Okay. On that thought, okay, guys, class. On that thought, I'm going to leave it here. I want you to think, each of you for a next life skill class, you're going to come up with something where on one side, you're going to show me something that is not presented well, and on another side, you're going to show me something that is presented well. You can choose what you want to present and how you want to present. You can make a painting and show me which is better presented. You can decorate your plate of food and send me pictures to show me which is well presented. You can make a video of good behavior and show me which is better presented. It's up to you. But before our next life skill class, I want you to send to me, Pranav, तुम इधर देखो ना. ओए प्रणव, कहाँ बाहर देखो? Okay. Before our next life skill class, I want you to send to me any one thing that you can think of which will show one poorly presented and one well presented. It can be in the form of a video. It can be in the form of a video. It can be in the form of a drawing. It can be in the form of photographs. It's entirely up to you. Yes, Subhan. Now tell
Ma'am,
me.
but we have to give information of that.
1 minute, Pranav. Wait.
Example, see,
हाँ. बोलो.
if you are writing in exam,
हाँ.
if you are writing in exam, which point you will choose for writing in exam? This
The one-
pencil or this?
The one that you have on your left hand.
Not pointed, and this one is pointed.
I will use the pointed one.
Yes.
Correct? Na? So now I understand that you have understood what I'm trying to say. Good. Okay. So Pranav, you were asking me something. We have to write or what? What you want to do?
Ma'am, we have to write information of that.
Yes. You can write information. If you see, it is up to you how you want to present it. See, that's
I
what I'm
can make a
saying.
presentation.
Listen, guys, listen. It's up to you how you want to present it. Like I said, you can write it up. You can make a PowerPoint presentation of whatever you want to put across. You can make a video of a behavioral presentation. You can draw a picture. You can write about it. However you want to present it. You can click snaps and send it to me. But I want you to send me something which shows good presentation, better presentation. Something that is just okay. ठीक है, ये अच्छा है, but ये wow, ये होता है presentation. ऐसे मुंह से निकलना चाहिए. Yes, Ranveer.
I wanted to tell that we can do any presentation with, we can even do it with toys.
Yes. Yes. But I must be able to see the difference. It is not just one presentation that you have to do. You have to do one good presentation and one better presentation. Only then we can see the difference ki which presentation is better. Have you understood what I'm telling you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I want two things in it. One is a good presentation and the other is a better presentation. So, for example, this handwriting is also good. It's just that you didn't understand it. But this handwriting is better. This is good presentation. This is better presentation. Okay? I want you to show me the difference, because if you don't put that difference, I'm not going to understand what you're telling me. You understand? Okay?
Yes.
Chalo. Life skill class over. Take a break. Come back for Pranav's favorite class, analytics and application. Anything to do with maths is Pranav's favorite.
Why is Pranav favorite?
What?
Pranav's favorite is mental maths.
Yes, he loves anything to do with maths. Hello, go. Wash your eyes and come back. Drink some water, wash your eyes and come back.